In this course, we want to create a custom Arduino. Let's say this is our PCB, okay? And in this PCB, there is a microcontroller that I want to use a SMD part. In here, you can see that this is not a SMD, it is through hole component. But in here, this is a SMD part. This is SMD part. This is through hole component or THD component. This is SMD part. This is THD part. This is SMD. This is SMD. These two is SMD. So they are surface mount component. So in here we want to use a SMD part. So in our project we want to use a microcontroller that we want to install Arduino bootloader on it. So that is our Arduino. So this is our Arduino. This Arduino need a regulator, so we put a something like DC jack in here for power. Let's just write it here, power. That's cool. And after that we need a regulator. Let's just put it here. Of course we will change it in the future, but for now just I want to show you a schematic of it. That's our regulator, that's our DC jack, and they should be connected together. Let's just make it big. That's cool. It needs a VCC and ground, and this regulator create a something like 3.3 or 5 volt. So that's it. Our Arduino will be on. This Arduino needs some capacitor and a crystal that we will just add to it. So in Arduino we will add all of the thing that it needs. After that, you see, now we have our crystal. Let's just go here. We have our crystal for our Arduino. Maybe we don't need this. We can just use internal crystal, so it's okay. We can use crystal. If we need more speed, we can simply don't use it. We can just use internal crystal. So we have this DC jack. Let's just have these two alongside each other. So in here you see we have our Arduino that is this microcontroller, and with its bypasses and reset circuit and everything like that. And we have a regulator that is here and DC jack that is here. And now we need a USB to UART converter that is here. If we want to just program it, if we have a big project for mass production, we don't need to add this component to it. Why? Because we want to program it once when it reach mass production level. So if we don't add this to our project, we can just create another PCB for this, and with this we can program all the board. But for this project we want to add this as well, so we will have a project of a custom Arduino that we can just plug a USB cable to it and program it, and it may be easier for everybody. But if you just want to use it on a mass production, just don't use this. Okay, just create one of these for programming all the PC, all the custom Arduino that you have.